Welcome to channel. In this video, we will learn how to write complicated words in Hindi. So for today, I have picked three words. Okay, one is United States of America. Second one is Federal District. Okay, so yeah, and third one is USSR. Now we are not going to learn what is the Hindi meaning. Okay, so here we will try how to write United States of America. So first of all, we need to understand what is the pronunciation. Okay, so we need to focus on pronunciation, how we pronounce pronunciation. So what first, what letter, which letter you are getting? So U. So how we will write U? यहाँ पे U की मात्रा U. Then what is coming? U na, right? U na. Then E did, right? यहाँ पे A की मात्रा. Then we will put this d. Why? Because it is pronouncing like d. So you have seen like when we say doll, so there we use d. Okay, it is without dots. Now what is next? States. So I have to put आधा स. Okay, stay, right? टॉप ए की मात्रा. Okay, then what we need to put? States, right? Then another t is coming, but it is half t. So guys, and then we need to put so here you try to understand. See, this is states, right? This is states. Now if someone is doing like full so what it will become? States. We are not saying states, we are saying what we are writing? States. Okay, so we have to put other states. Okay, of. How we can write of? A, I mean a. Then we have to put for. But what is this? What I have pronounced here? Of. So as I mentioned in earlier video also, when you are getting a ki matra, then put other channel window. And what is next? Of Ame, America. Okay, America, right? So is this? Hope you are finding this very easy. So what I mean to say, wherever you are finding any complicated words like this, okay, then what you need to do? You need to understand what is the pronunciation. Okay, so if okay, so let's see how to write federal district. Okay, so federal, so we need to understand which letter we are pronouncing. We are pronouncing for. Okay, fe. So what we will do? We will put a ki matra. Then fed. Fed, how will you write fe? Da, you have to put da. It will become fed. Then ra or la. So what it will become? It will become federal. Then we have to write district, right? So da pe choti ki mata. It is not district. Okay, it is district. So this, because we are pronouncing so, and that too for lesser time. Then what we have to do? Whenever there is a half letter, then that matra for the next letter will come before half letter. Always remember. And it is Padindra. District. I am not saying district. Okay, if I write full ka, it will become district. It is district. And we need to put Adaka, federal district. Okay, very easy. Next is USSR. So what you need to remember? U. So यहाँ पे बड़ा की मात्रा. Why? Because we are taking time. We are not saying USSR, right? We are saying USSR. We are taking little extra time to pronounce U. Okay. S. How will you write S? You cannot write so. You have to write like this. Okay. U S S. Okay. And this is R. So these are all things you need to remember when you are writing. And you can, if you like the video, you can comment uh, below. And if you have any complicated words like this, whether it is in Hindi, English, anything, we will try to write in next video. So if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in next video.